Excel. So if you can see here, this is a list of students. We have student IDs, their names, gender, their ages, the city, and the mark. You create a copy, then you go. Now you're going to work a copy. I get. Okay, so step number 1, what you're going to do firstly, we are going to fix the names. We're going to work in this column of names, column B. So I'm just going to do another answer. So we're going to take those functions and combine them and do them one thing, right? So we are going to come here, declare in a proper, getting steps proper, let him and do one function, right? So you're going to come here, then you pull through your data set. So we move. Now we are going to try and fix gender. If you remember very well, okay, let me call it clean gender layer. Clean gender. This time around, we're using function here if. Oh, right? Then we are working with which one? With this C, right? We are saying if really more C, our one M. So we are going to look for the possibilities of the cars were the mail, right? Huh? Okay, so we're going to say if M agere can NC happy or mail thing a really mail for the lesson there. Medita setting right? Can I mail you a thing? Can I mail you a thing? Really, the small letters. You're just looking around the combination around mail. Add the risks on your data set to identify a person as a male. So we look really M male. The other possibility, which one? Okay, I think with our data set, these are the 3 possibilities that we have, right? Okay, so you can, so what you can do, you can come around this function, right? The first scenario you can say, if you get all these kinds, we need to define this thing. So this person is a male, but this is how we want media thing and more data thing again. Otherwise, everything in a female, again. Or you can, if you have time, you can repeat this and do the possibilities for male. Again, then you have those functions, and if it tackles the same thing. Again. So we are having this, it's a zero get or okay, get F4, which means giving me. Then you drag down again. We move now, we go, let's clean our cities. Let's clean our city. Okay, I'll clean the city here. So then I'll just call it clean city. So we are going to have if, right, or then you come into the city. It's E2, we say is equals to 1 hour with the arrows or gaps, right? Kana umu with the gaps are kiraburu. Kana umu with the gaps are I'm going to listen to Kaburu like the first one are ki Kaburuni, right? Then after this, we close this logic, right? Then we are saying this one now it is Kaburu, and this is okay. We are saying this is Kaburuni, right? We are saying this is Kaburu. We are saying this is Kaburu. Then we go again, we look for the other one. We are doing another. Oh my goodness. Okay, we are doing another if or. We do if or we say same column that we are working with. Now we are trying to look for Francis Town, right? This one might write Francis Town as Francis Town. If I keep getting this pop up, I don't know what's going on. Okay, let's continue. So we are saying, okay, Francis Town. Umwa babita Francis Town yare. Gare. Let's say this one ne Cynthia Mugwadiela like Francis Town. So let's just close this one and call it what? You're saying is Francis Town. Everything should be Francis Town. So you can use the same logic. Okay, go gender and try and do male, then you find around, but which is going to take too much of your time. But then even here we can do like here we could say like here we could say everything, we can call it I keep forgetting. Okay, here we can call everything Mau, right? But this is the function that I've been looking for you to see how it works hand in hand with the else part. So here you see we are trying to embed another if. To embed another if. Another if same thing. We are saying what E2 is if or E2 oh it's in this one. Then you have Marvin here. Then you call this one Marvin. So okay. So then we pull. We are still trying to clean our data. That's my guy. MCT. You see this one here, because there's nothing there. Now, then we go again. Let's just call it new age. Age we say value. And this in value. Then we trim the spacing. Right. Trim the spacing. We are trying to remove the spacing. So what you just need to do is just to come here and you do if error, if error, if error, you come and close. What is it? Oh, you come, you close. Okay, how? Okay, we are trying to remove the blanks. We're going to remove them with 0, right? So I don't want to blink it in the bar 0, right? Okay, that's nice. So we're saying if error is 0, so you're saying if a value, then we say, remember we want to trim, right? Which column are we working with? This one. What are we saying for if in the error? What are we expecting to have? Expecting to have a 0. Expecting to have a 0, right? Then you just pull, then just pull, right? Then you just do that. Now we have our data cleaned, right? We don't have inconsistencies. Data or not, almost in saying worry, we can learn it and see and identify what has to be removed, what are the duplicates, what are the duplicates. You see, that's what we are working on, right? Okay, and now we are going to start just with this marks. We can do some small analysis here on the side. We can call it pass or fail. Good, I'm just trying to show you that even after you cleaned, Excel doesn't limit you to do what you want to do with your data. You can do it, you can create your new columns. Like you can see right now, we are defining this column. Well, okay, if this column yamak, right, is greater than what? Is greater or equals to 50. What do we say? This person. You can say this person is actually 50, less than 50. Actually less than 50, you can say if I less than 50, rather someone I got passing greater than 50. So someone I got passing, then high lower, otherwise everything is a fail.